In this video, I will discuss 8 potential risks of using castor oil for your health. This video gives you the information you need to make an informed decision about the benefits and drawbacks of using castor oil. While there are many YouTube videos that praise the numerous benefits of castor oil, it is essential to understand that using it may have harmful effects on your health. One of the risks of using castor oil is that it can cause allergic reactions. Even though castor oil is frequently recommended for improving skin health, it is essential to be cautious of the potential risks of allergic reactions. Ricinoleic acid, a compound in castor oil, can cause skin irritation, itching, and swelling. These risks are usually overlooked in the media frenzy surrounding castor oil's supposed skin benefits. However, castor oil can cause skin allergic reactions in anyone, including me. To stay safe, you should test castor oil on a small area behind your ear and check for any reaction for 24 hours before using it on the rest of your skin. Number 7 is the risk of pregnancy complications. Castor oil has long been used as a traditional method to induce labor. However, castor oil works by stimulating uterine contractions, which can lead to serious health risks for your unborn child. According to Baby Centre UK, using castor oil to induce labor is not safe during pregnancy. It can cause stress on the baby and result in them passing their first stool before birth while still inside the womb, leading to serious health risks for your unborn baby. Drinking castor oil during pregnancy can also cause nausea and diarrhea, leading to further pregnancy complications. It is better to avoid using castor oil during pregnancy and consult with your healthcare provider for safe ways to induce labor. Number 6, digestive issues. Drinking too much castor oil may cause you to have digestive complications. Did you know that the FDA approves castor oil as a laxative to relieve constipation? Castor oil can work quickly, but too much of it can risk digestive issues. Plus, relying on laxatives like castor oil can become a difficult habit to break and can lead to dependency, which can disrupt your body's natural bowel function in the long run. But don't worry, there are other ways to keep your digestive system happy without drinking castor oil. By making small changes to your diet and daily routine, such as eating more fiber, drinking plenty of water, and not ignoring the urge to go, you can avoid any long-term digestive issues. Be patient though, as it may take a few weeks to see results. Sliding down to number 5, castor oil may interfere with some drugs. Did you know that the use of castor oil can increase the risk of drug interactions? Castor oil has the potential to interfere with your medications, so it is crucial to consult with your doctor before using it. Moreover, castor oil can make certain drugs less effective by interfering with their absorption. This can lead to reduced effectiveness of the medication or even cause harmful side effects. To avoid any potential risks, it is vital to be cautious when using castor oil. Number 4, dehydration is a significant side effect of castor oil. Did you know that various factors, including diarrhea, can cause dehydration? Yes, that's right. Castor oil contains a fatty acid called ricinoleic acid that's extracted from the castor seed, Ricinus communis. This acid is believed to contain some powerful healing properties. If you're struggling with constipation, castor oil might be the solution you've been looking for. It can help move your bowels and relieve the discomfort and pain associated with constipation. However, due to its laxative effect, it can cause severe dehydration, which can be dangerous for your overall health. While castor oil provides benefits in relieving constipation, ingesting large amounts of it can result in severe diarrhea and dehydration. This is because ricinoleic acid can reduce the amount of fluid and electrolytes absorbed by your body, leading to dehydration and further electrolyte imbalance. Number 3, disease interactions. Did you know that using castor oil may not be suitable for everyone? Although castor oil is generally considered safe, it can cause unwanted side effects in some people. Research suggests that some health conditions could negatively react with castor oil, causing severe side effects. For instance, if you suffer from appendicitis, bowel perforation, gastrointestinal obstruction, or inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, It's best to avoid using stimulative laxatives like castor oil. Similarly, always better to consult your doctor before trying new remedies. Liver risk is number 2. Castor oil can affect your liver health. Excessive consumption of castor oil can potentially put your liver at risk. The liver is responsible for breaking down and removing toxins from your body, and too much castor oil can overwhelm this vital organ. Although social media influencers recommend using a castor oil pack on the abdomen over the area of the liver, it is essential to note that there is no scientific evidence to support this claim. Many people believe this practice can miraculously heal their liver, but as a health professional, I must tell you that it is not scientifically proven. If you want to take care of your liver, I suggest eating healthy and nutritious food, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep. These simple habits can do wonders for your overall liver health. Here's a quick tip for all you castor oil lovers out there. Be extra careful about the quality of castor oil you consume. Did you know that the FDA has no regulations on the quality or purity of castor oil products? Castor oil is extracted from the seeds of the castor plant, which contain a dangerous protein called ricin that can wreak havoc on your health if ingested in large quantities. While most of the ricin is removed during the extraction process, there might still be small traces of the toxin left behind. So it's better to be safe than sorry and make sure you're using a high-quality product. Poorly processed oils may contain impurities that can compromise their safety and effectiveness. Symptoms include stomach or abdominal pain, cramping, nausea, diarrhea, or weakness. To ensure safety, choose high-quality organic black castor oil from reputable sources. By doing so, you can safeguard your health and unlock the full benefits of this ancient remedy.